Ndongoi ya chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka yasekana Maovisa Volisi ta Meutumika Vanene Kunyamaasya Amuika Matena Mavityo Vamwe na Ngaliko ya Ulei ainene amboya na Easya Ndongoi kanisani wa sita mkuya embakasi na ile ingisi vikitwe ni amwema Ndongoi Volisi Kalonzo Nwaweta kanati Maovisa onde Volisi metigela kutumika haikulia kanisa kuungamana ulumu na kunene ya yulo wa Matena alama ya kumbili tene the mandi ya Kenya Susan Kavili na Maovisaa
ainena Kalonzo ni wainde ya kutula muti wangele kuwa mbole liva Kenya na mwema Maovisa Volisi kwithwa Meutumiwa Kunyamaasya Amuika Vamwe na Ndongoi cia Ulei.
It is possible for us to have men in uniform who are not corrupt. Do you recall, Kenyans, that when President Kibaki took over in 2002, this country was adjudged worldwide as the most optimistic nation on earth. And what happened thereafter is a matter of national shame. I think we are now at our lowest ebb.
Kalonzo Nwaweta kana ndeisa kulela nthini wa kuliana na kuthogwa kwa kampuni wa Safaricom kwa kwithiwa ni kampuni wa vatavanthi ya Kenya.
Well, I must tell you, yesterday I was an angry Kenyan. I went before the Court of Appeal. And I was trying to say, please, it's okay. Kenyans don't mind. You can sell 15% of shares in Safaricom, right? To some Vodacom company based in South Africa. And you look at that, you unravel it, it's a big issue. I'm talking about corruption here, Dr. Kisaka. And the 204 billion, I saw these judges were in a hurry to lift the orders that were given by another set of 3 judges, whom I had the privilege to appear before. And I got the sense as a Kenyan like Nehemiah, I became angry. Because 204 billion shillings, you say it is going to infrastructure, they don't say which infrastructure. All this money is going to get divided in the clouds, this software, and goes some to Dubai, some of it goes to Switzerland, some of it goes where? And Kenyans are left high and dry.
Kalonzo ngini wathuthia kanisa ungamwe na ulumu na kunena yulu wa mathina alame kumbilite Kenya aiweta kana Kenya ni ya Kenya onthe na ti ya andu amwe.
Church, please speak. We are all Kenyans at the end of the day. Looking at each of us here, unless you come in speaking costumes, senior pastor, right? But these days, even if you are wearing speaking costumes, Madam DCC will come with hardware. Okay, and throw tear gas, and we don't hear anything. And then goons. Imagine what happened in front of world media when young Kenyans who have been impatient, and I can understand why, with the state of governance in our country, wanting accountability, responsibility, wanting leaders to adhere to those constitutional values of honesty, integrity, stop the stealing, stop the meltdown, took to the streets. And a governor said, we will not allow you.
Ngilivoti ya vilingwa mauvo neta wa Susan Kavili.